Hello guys, today we are going to start class 5th grammar lesson number 4 possessive pronouns and possessive adjective. The question will be arise in your mind, ma'am, what is the meaning of possessive pronouns and possessive adjective? So we will move to the next slide. Pronoun or adjective. First we will see the definition of pronoun. A pronoun substitute a noun or a whole noun phrase. It means pronoun is a one type of word. It is an alternate of noun, and in behalf of noun we are using pronoun and a whole noun phrase. For example, the house is red. So you are able to see the house is a non-living thing. So for a non-living things we will use it. So the sentence will be changed. It is red. I hope you understand. Next definition. An adjective accompanies a noun in a noun phrase. It means adjective is a one type of quality, is a one type of appraisal for a noun, and we are using for a noun phrase. For example, John's house is red. So what is the color of John's house? Is red. So for a John's house we will use his house is red. So we will move to the next slide. The next slide, subject personal pronoun. Subject personal pronoun, it means before verb. Listen carefully my child. Before verb as subject. For example, Mary is terribly upset today. It means Mary is too much upset today. So Mary is a feminine. Mary is we are using for a female. So behalf of Mary we will use she. So in a sentence you are able to see कि we change Mary behalf of she. So the sentence is she is terribly upset today. Next example, Tom's house is red and white. So the Tom's house color is red and white. But you are able to see again Tom's house. House is a non-living thing. So what we will use? It. It is red and white. It means in behalf of Tom's house we are able to use it. Next example, Sushan and Pate want to go to the party. Sushan and Patty, they are the two person. It means one person is Sushan and second person is Patty. So for a two persons we are able to use in a grammar they. So just see with the name behalf of what we are using they. They want to go to the party. Next example is dad traveling to London next week. So dad is a masculine. It means he is a male person. So behalf of dad in next sentence we are using he. So dad behalf what we are using is he traveling to the London next week. We will move to the flow chart. Just see, when the first singular person will be there we use I. When second singular person will be there we use you. When third singular male person will be there we use he. The third singular female we are using she. The third singular thing, it means non-living things, we are using it. When first plural, it means you and me, we are using we. Second plural we are using you, and third plural we are using they. It's hearty request for you my child, just copy down or just writing in a notebook this flow chart also, so it's very easy to understand this topic. Next we will move to the next slide. In the next slide we are going to see object personal pronoun. It means after verbs as object. It means after the verb object will be there. We will move to the first example. I gave my husband a very nice surprise. It means my husband. I already underlined the word my husband. You know very well in a third and fourth you learn about for a female we are using her and for a male we are using him. So just see behalf of my husband in next sentence what I am using, I gave him. My husband replaced by him. A very nice surprise. I hope you understand. Next example. All the students did their exercise yesterday. So just see the underlined word, their exercise. It means 2 or 3 persons will be there, right? So just see, all the students did them yesterday. It means their exercise I replaced by them. Third example, I will go to the party with Sam. Sam is a male person, right? He recognized he is a boy. So in behalf of Sam, what we will use, dear children? Him. So we will see the example. I will go to the party with him. So Sam replaced the word him. We will move to the flowchart. Just see, for a first singular we will use me. For a second singular we will use you. For a third singular male person we will use him. For a third singular female we are using her. And third singular thing, or it is a non-living things, we use it. If first plural will be there, we use us. For a second plural will be there, we use you. And third plural we are using them. In our next slide, we will learn possessive pronouns. It means not followed by noun, because possessive pronoun, it means this is a one type of feeling and emotions. We will see by the examples. First example, this house is Tom's. It means Tom's house is there. So we will use this house is his. It means in behalf of Tom's we are using his. Second example, whose car is this? So they are asking the question, whose car is this? So the answer will be, it's mine. It means this is mine, will be recognized, or mine will be representing the possessive or the possessiveness. Next example, this is her idea. It means this is her idea. You are able to see her we are using for a female. So we will use this idea is hers. Her we are replacing by the hers. We will move to the flowchart. For a first singular person will be there, we are using mine. Second singular we are using yours. And the third singular male person will be there, we are using his. Third singular females we are using hers. Third singular thing, yani ki non-living things, we are using its. First plural we are use ours. Second plural will be there, we are using yours. And third plural we are using their. Dear one students, now we will move to the next slide. Just see, possessive adjective. It means we are talking about the possessive plus quality. It means before the noun in a noun phrase. We will see to the example. It is Tom's house. So Tom we are replacing by his. It means it is his house. I hope you understand. In behalf of Tom's we are using his. Second example, this is Sushan's car. It means Sushan is a female child. So in behalf of Sushan we are using her. Just see how can we will change. This is her car. It means Sushan we will replacing by the word her. Next sentence, those are my parents' key. It means possessive adjective we are able to see in sentence. The child will be very possessive. Okay, those are my parents' keys only. So by this example, next example, those are their keys. It means behalf of parents we are replacing this word by their. I hope you understand this by these three examples. Next we will move to the flowchart. For a first singular we will using my. For a second singular we are using your. And for a third singular male person we will use his. For a third singular female we are using her. For a third singular thing, it means non-living things, we are using its. For a first plural we are using our, second plural we are using your, and third plural we are using their. So we will move to the next slide. Now, possessive adjective. This is a full conclusion of all the chapter. In front of you, you are able to see the whole flow chart. So we will understand by this flow chart. First person, you will able to see in a first singular. In this box, you are able to see subject personal pronoun. It means SPR. In a first singular, we are using SPR I. When it convert object personal pronoun, it's me. And when we're talking about possessive pronoun, it's mine. And we're talking about the positive adjective, it used to be my. So able to see in this flow chart in a first singular, according to the term or according to the flow, it used to be changed different to different. You are able to see SPR convert to OPR is different. OPR if convert to PR or possessive pronoun, it used to be mine. And mine will be convert possessive adjective, it used to be my. Fine. Next move, second singular. When we're talking about SPR, subject personal pronoun, it used to be you. When it convert OPR, object personal pronoun, it used to be you. And when talking about possessive pronoun, it's yours. And possessive adjective, we will use your. Third singular, for a male person, in a subject pronoun, personal pronoun, we use he. When convert object personal pronoun, him, because you know very well, for a male person we are using him. But when it convert possessive pronoun, it used to be his, and for a positive adjective, it used to be his. Next move, the third singular female. In subject person pronoun, she representing the feminine. So in SPR we are using she. When it convert OPR, object personal pronoun, it used to be her, and PR, possessive pronoun, it's hers, and possessive adjective, we will use her. Next we will move third singular thing. It is a non-living things. We are able to see subject SPR we are using it, OPR we are using same manner it, but possessive pronoun it used to be its, and possessive adjective we are also using same manner its. We will move to the first plural, subject personal pronoun. SPR we are using we, OPR we are using us, and PR we are using yours. Possessive pronoun we are using ours, and possessive adjective we are using our. Second plural, for a subject personal pronoun we are using you. It convert to the object personal pronoun you, and when it convert possessive pronoun yours, and possessive adjective we were using your. Last, not the least, in a third plural we are using SPR, subject personal pronoun. In a third plural we are using they. It convert in OPR, object personal pronoun them. It convert possessive pronoun we are using theirs, and last possessive adjective we are using their. So all my dear one children, I hope you understand this topic, the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.